Wel, dyma fe fy hoff stori o un o'n hoff stories, The Invisible String, one of my favourite stories, and so apt for us all now. Lisa and Jeremy, the twins, were asleep one calm and quiet night. Suddenly, it began to rain very hard. Thunder rumbled until it got so loud that it woke them up. "Mummy, Mummy," they cried out as they ran to her. "Oh, don't worry, you two," said Mummy. "It's just the storm making all that noise. You go back to bed." "Oh, but we want to stay close to you," said Jeremy. "We're scared." Mum said, "You know, we are always together, no matter what." "But how can we be together when you're out here and we're in bed?" said Lisa. Mum held something up right in front of them and said, "This is how." Rubbing their sleepy eyes, the twins came closer to see what Mum was holding. "I was about your age when my mum first told me about the invisible string." "I don't see a string," said Jeremy. "You don't need to see the invisible string. People who love each other are always connected by a very special string made of love." "But if you can't see it, how would you know it's there?" asked Lisa. "Even though you can't see it with your eyes, you can feel it with your heart and know that you are always connected to everyone you love." When you're at school and you miss me, your love travels all the way along the string until I feel it tug on my heart. And when you tug it right back, we feel it in our hearts, said Jeremy, tugging the string. "Does Jasper the cat have an invisible string?" Lisa asked. "Sure she does." "And best friends like me and Lucy?" asked Lisa. "Best friends too. How far can the string reach?" "Anywhere and everywhere." "Would it reach me even if I were a submarine captain deep in the ocean?" asked Jeremy. "Ooh, yes," Mum said. "Even there." "Oh, or a mountain climber?" "Even there." "A dancer in France?" "Even there." "A jungle explorer?" "Even there." "Oh, how about an astronaut in space?" "Yes, even there." Then quietly, Jeremy asked, "Can my string reach all the way to Uncle Brian in heaven?" "Yes, Cariad, even there." Oh, does the string go away when you're mad at us? Never, said Mum. Love is stronger than anger, and as long as love is in your heart, the string will always be there. Even when you get older and you can't agree about things like what film to see, or what game to play in the back seat of the car, or what time it is to go to bed. Oh, that's right, said Mum. You too should be in bed. And with that, they all laughed as Mum chased the twins back into their beds. Within a few minutes, they were fast asleep, even though the storm was still making the same loud noises. And as they slept, they started dreaming of all the invisible strings they have, and all the strings their friends have, and their friends have, until everyone in the whole world was connected by invisible strings. And from deep inside, they could now clearly see. No one is ever alone. So even though we're not together at the moment, we're all connected by this wonderful invisible string. Mine is going out to each and every one of you, and all the staff is, and I know it's coming right back to all of us. So I really hope you enjoyed that story, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!